What animal is Donald Duck? When did the phrase, get jiggy with it, become extinct? What is the difference between Jonathan Taylor Thomas and Haley Joel Osment?
Yahoo!
How bad is Cheesecake Factory for my body? Can a man knock out a gorilla using only hand-to-hand combat? Is watching Air Bud on a portable DVD player in my car too intimate for a first date? What did my dad just say to me? I was listening to my iPod, so I couldn't hear him. How to get silly putty out of bed sheets? I have made a terrible mistake. What percentage of water is celery? Water is exactly 0% celery. Can dog eat watermelon? Is it okay for a dang 30-year-old man to watch Goosebumps? If you die on an operating table but come back to life, is your birthday changed? Why are the holes in cats' fur always in the right places for their eyes? Is Joseph Gordon-Levitt my mailman? What's the hockey song that goes do-do-do-do-do-do-do, Well, that would be the 1991 worldwide hit Get Ready for This from Dutch group 2 Unlimited. Yeah.
Yahoo!